Plumbing renovations used to be a nightmare of rusted bolts and impossible angles. But in 2026, the right tool doesn't just save time, it feels like a cheat code. From internal cutters to Swedish wrenches, these are the top 10 plumbing innovations on Amazon that make any pro or DIYer unstoppable. Number 1. Dealing with old pipes beneath a subfloor can be a logistical nightmare, but an internal pipe cutter is a total game changer for these tight spots. Instead of the backbreaking work of tearing up the floor to reach a fitting, this tool lets you cut flush from the inside. The setup is straightforward. It features a hardened stainless steel shaft that fits right into a standard 3/8 inch drill chuck. What sets this professional set apart is the adjustable depth gauge. By sliding the 3.9-inch guide disc along the 7-inch scale, you can set a precise cut line, while the built-in bearing ensures the rotation stays smooth and stable. You get 5 different HSS saw blades ranging from 22mm to 44mm, making it versatile enough for various PVC or soft metal schedules. When you're using it, just remember to keep your drill speed low and work clockwise. It turns a job that used to take an hour of demolition into a clean, precise cut that's finished in minutes. Number 2. The Max Power Swedish Pipe Wrench is a specialist tool designed for the high torque demands of front-end alignments and tight plumbing fittings. What makes this professional-grade wrench stand out is its 90-degree angled slim jaw, which allows you to bite into pipes and hex nuts in corners where a standard wrench would bottom out. With a 2.75-inch max opening, it provides a wide range of clamping for objects up to 2 inches in diameter. The design utilizes self-locking teeth that provide high turning resistance, meaning you don't have to constantly squeeze the handles together to maintain a grip, even on smooth surfaces. The undetachable adjusting nut runs on a durable round thread that resists dirt and mechanical damage, ensuring the tool remains reliable in grit-heavy environments like subfloors or automotive shops. Number 3. The Nexon Broken Pipe Extractor tool is a lifesaver when a project is stalled by a snapped or rusted pipe. It uses a specialized reverse groove structure that bites into the inside of a broken pipe or valve bolt, allowing you to back it out without slipping or further damaging the threads in your wall. Built from heat-treated steel, it's tough enough to handle high-torque removals while resisting rust and wear. This kit is a versatile professional solution because it covers 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch sizes, making it suitable for everything from standard sink lines to larger industrial pipes. It even comes with a hex wrench included, so you have everything you need for an emergency repair right out of the box. Number 4. If you have ever struggled with a rusted-out bathtub drain, you know the crosshairs usually snap off immediately, leaving you with no way to unscrew it. The Superior Tool Tub Drain Extractor is the professional solution for this exact nightmare. It features a knurled, tapered design that you simply drive into the drain with a hammer. As you turn it with a wrench, the hardened steel teeth bite into the internal walls of the drain pipe. This provides a non-slip grip that allows you to back out even the most corroded fittings without damaging the tub surface. It is a heavy-duty tool that turns a potential hours-long demolition job into a quick, 5-minute fix. Number 5. Replacing a shutoff valve is often the most frustrating part of a bathroom remodel, but the Holdley Angle Stop Wrench Kit is designed to eliminate the struggle. This professional tool is built for high efficiency, adapting to 15/16 inch and 5/8 inch nuts, so you can swap between compression angle stops and supply nuts without switching tools. The dual action mechanism provides a secure grip and high torque, which is essential for breaking loose old, corroded valves in the cramped spaces under a vanity. It is fully compatible with 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch MPT compression outlet threads, making it a versatile choice for almost any residential plumbing task. Crafted with a corrosion-resistant finish, it's a durable investment that ensures your new installations are leak-free and your removals are effortless. Number 6. Preparing your materials is just as important as the installation itself. The AFA tooling. Deburring tool is a professional-grade essential designed to clean up sharp edges on metal, PVC, and 3D printed parts. It features a precision 360-degree swivel mechanism that allows the blade to naturally track the contours of your workpiece for a perfectly smooth finish. The anodized aluminum handle is CNC, machined with a hexagonal grip to prevent rolling and provide far better tactile control than plastic alternatives. Inside, you'll find M2 high-speed steel blades tempered for industrial-grade wear resistance, which stay sharp up to 80% longer than standard steel. Whether you are prepping a copper pipe for soldering or smoothing out a 3D printed model, this tool provides the delicate pressure needed without gouging your material. Number 7. Precision is everything when you're working with metal lines, and the Work Pro 3-piece tubing cutter set is built to handle the variety of a full home renovation. This professional set includes both a standard cutter for 1/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch pipes and a mini cutter designed for tight 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch spaces where a larger tool can't rotate. What sets these apart are the ball-bearing rollers, which significantly reduce friction compared to traditional designs, allowing for faster, smoother rotation and a cleaner cut. The tools feature ultra-sharp cutting wheels and include a high-speed steel deburring tool for cleaning up edges instantly. With a large ergonomic knob, you can maintain a firm grip and apply steady pressure, ensuring high stability and efficiency whether you're slicing through copper, aluminum, or brass. Number 8. For modern home plumbing, PEX is the standard, and the iCrimp Ratchet PEX Cinch tool is the ultimate all-in-one professional solution. This versatile tool meets ASTM 2098 standards, allowing you to create secure connections with stainless steel clamps from 3/8 inch up to 1 inch. What makes this a standout for renovations is its innovative removal function. If you make a mistake or need to update a line, you can use the same tool to safely remove the clamp and reuse the expensive pipe fittings, saving both time and money. The ratcheting design and self-release mechanism ensure a perfect cinch every time without needing constant recalibration. Constructed from forged steel with high-precision wire-cut jaws, this kit also includes a dedicated pipe cutter and a starter set of clamps to get your project moving immediately. Number 9. When you're dealing with a repair that involves salvaged valves or flanges, the Bleku 6 pieces PVC pipe reamer kit is the professional way to save both time and money. This kit allows you to remove old cement and pipe residue from inside a fitting, letting you reuse expensive components instead of cutting them out and starting from scratch. The set includes 6 sizes covering everything from 3/4 inch to 4 inch pipes, making it a comprehensive solution for pool systems, HVAC, and bathroom remodels. It features dual blade technology with 4-sided rotating carbide cutters that stay sharp through heavy use. Designed to fit standard 1/2 inch drills, these reamers ensure a smooth, burr-free finish that is critical for creating a leak-free, watertight seal. For anyone looking to reduce material waste and labor time, this is an essential addition to the toolbox. Number 10. For high-stakes home renovations where you want to avoid the fire hazards of soldering, the iBosad Copper Tube Fittings Hydraulic Pipe Crimping Tool is a professional-grade solution. This tool uses hydraulic pressure to create permanent, leak-free seals on copper pipes, and it's specifically engineered to work with major fitting brands like Viega ProPress, Nibco, and Elkhart. The standout feature of this model is its 350-degree rotatable head, which is a lifesaver when you're trying to press a T-fitting in a narrow joist space or behind a finished wall. The body is constructed from a lightweight aluminum alloy to prevent oil leakage and reduce user fatigue during long projects. This all-in-one kit handles 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch jaws, and even includes a pipe cutter and deburring tool, ensuring you have